Hello Slaters! Today's video is not exactly a video class, but it is an informative and interactive session wherein I'm going to give you some information about Indian national symbols. Do you know, children, every nation, every country has its own symbols, national symbols. These are called national symbols. So today we are going to learn about our national symbols, Indian national symbols. So are you all ready, children, to know more about our country, India? National symbols of India. Father of Nation. Our father of nation is Mahatma Gandhi. National currency. Every country, every nation has its own currency. The same way, our national currency is rupees. National anthem. Children, do you know what is our national anthem? Yes, it's Jana Gana Mana. National song. Likely, every nation has its own national anthem, own national song, and the same way we also have our national song. Our national song is Vande Mataram. National language. National language means every nation has its one common language. Yes? So that is called as national language. Our national language is Hindi. Next is national emblem. See, children, you all would have seen this symbol somewhere in our rupees. Yes, money. You have seen this on our note? Yes, this symbol. This is our national emblem and it is called Ashoka Stambh. See properly, it has lion face. Next is national festivals. Which festivals are called as national festivals? Can you guess? Yes, 15th August. Yes, Independence Day is a national festival. Then Republic Day is called as national festival. And we have one more, children. That is Gandhi Jayanti, birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Next is national sport. Yes, hockey. Hockey is our national game, national sport. National animal. Okay, can you guess which animal is called as a national animal? Which animal is a national animal? An animal which has stripes on its body? Black stripes? Tiger. Tiger is our national animal. National bird. Children, can you tell me which bird has beautiful feathers and it dances when it rains? Yes, you guessed it right. It's peacock. Peacock is our national bird. National flag. Children, you all must definitely be knowing about our national flag. But do you know what is our national flag called? Our national flag is called Tiranga. Tiranga is our national flag because it has three colors. Tiranga means three colors. So Tiranga is our national flag. National fruit. Yummy mango. Mango is our national fruit. National flower. Lotus. Beautiful pink lotus is our national flower. Children, can you tell me which is our national tree? Our national tree is banyan tree. Have you all seen this big banyan tree? Yes. Next is national river. River Ganga is called as a national river. These are all our national symbols. I hope you all enjoyed learning new things. Yes, children, this was very informative. Definitely, you will learn more about our own country, India, once again when we meet in the school. Yes, children, till then, bye, Slaters.